Their Majesties, the Emperor and the Empress. We would now like to welcome the 2023 Japan Prize laureates. First, in the field of electronics, information and communication, Professor Masataka Nakazawa, Mr. Kazuo Hagimoto, the laureates. Next, in the field of life sciences, Professor Gero Miesenbeck, and Professor Karl Dieseroth.
I am honored and grateful for the presence of Their Majesties, the Emperor and Empress. It is a great pleasure for all of us to welcome Their Majesties, the Emperor and Empress on this spring day, when our everyday life is beginning to return to normal. The Japan Prize was established in the early 1980s at the initiative of the Japan government to establish an internationally prestigious prize to contribute to the development of science and technology worldwide. With the support of government agencies based on a cabinet decision and with the cooperation of many people, we have been awarding scientific and technological achievements that contribute to the peace and prosperity of humankind.
We will now present the Japan Prize. Professor Masataka Nakazawa and Mr. Kazuo Hagimoto, laureates in the fields of electronics, information and communication, will receive the Japan Prize Medal from Dr. Yasaki, Chairman of the Japan Prize Foundation. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Next, Dr. Gero Miesenbeck and Dr. Karl Dieseroth, laureates in the field of life sciences, will be presented the Japan Prize medals by Dr. Yasaki, Chairman of the Japan Prize Foundation. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Now we would like to welcome the laureates to give us a few words. The device we have developed called EDFA is a completely new optical repeater that amplifies attenuated light in the optical fibers as light. And I think it is no exaggeration to say that the global ICT network has been realized by this device. The delay of the communication is very minimized. Thank you very much. I am very honored to receive the prestigious Japan Prize in the presence of Their Majesties, the Emperor and Empress of Japan, distinguished guests, and distinguished visitors here today. And also, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to the Japan Prize Foundation, the members of the selection committee, and all of you who have supported me over the years. Thank you very much.
Your Majesties, Excellencies, members of the selection committees and the Japan Prize Foundation, distinguished guests. The mathematician G.H. Hardy described the pleasure of discovery as a cerebral chill. Carl and I have certainly experienced that chill when our efforts to remote control the activity of the brain with light succeeded, and perhaps even more so when, thanks to our invention, we discovered some of the neural processes that underpin our lives. Thank you.
It is a sign of the times that events and discoveries from unexpected directions turn out to be important in ways that we cannot predict, and the story of optogenetics is one of those. The use of light to control individual cells in the service of understanding complex systems, even as intricate as the mammalian brain, is a wonderful example of this. Thank you very much.
His Majesty the Emperor will give us a few words.
2023年日本国際賞の授賞式に
It brings me great pleasure to be here at the 2023 Japan Prize presentation ceremony, together with distinguished participants and guests from different countries and regions of the world on the occasion of this esteemed ceremony. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each of the distinguished laureates, Professor Masataka Nakazawa and Mr. Kazuo Hakimoto in the field of electronics, information and communication, and Professor Gero Mizubek and Professor Carl Dysarth in the field of life sciences. The Japan Prize was established based on private donations in accordance with the Japanese government's vision of contributing to the development of science and technology throughout the world. This prize is awarded to scientists and engineers from across the globe who have made innovative and groundbreaking achievements that have made a significant contribution to the advancement of science and technology, and recognized for their remarkable efforts to contribute to the peace and prosperity of humankind. I would like to convey my deepest regards to each of these outstanding researchers whose studies have contributed immensely to the growth of various scientific and technological fields and to the improved well-being of humanity. Today, nations around the world, including our country, are facing many social, economic, and environmental challenges, and science and technology are playing increasingly crucial roles as we have worked together to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic during the past few years. I believe that by gathering the wisdom of diverse fields and joining forces worldwide, we can build a promising future. I would like to conclude by expressing my sincere hope that the Japan Prize will further aid the advancement of science and technology to bring happiness to people and also contribute to the peace and prosperity of humankind. Thank you.
Hisa Otsuji, the chairman of the House of Councillors, will deliver his congratulations on behalf of the distinguished guests. I'd like to conclude my congratulatory address by expressing my hope that the Japan Prize will continue to contribute to the advancement of science and technology in the world and play an even more important role in promoting peace and prosperity for mankind. With this, we conclude the 2023 Japan Prize presentation ceremony.
受賞者の皆
The
様の
honored
ご退席で
laureates
す。
will now leave.